Everyone, welcome back. My name is Chan Kosnyak. Today I want to talk about something incredibly important, something that affects millions of lives and deserved global attention. South Sudan, the world's youngest nation, has delayed its national election for years. The question is why? The official reasons sound technical, but the real reason go much deeper, and today we are going to uncover them. Let us start with the core issue, power. Since independence in 2011, South Sudan leaders have stayed in office without facing an election. The truth is elections bring accountability, and for those in power, that is a threat. There's a deep fear of losing control, being investigated for past action, or simply being voted out. So instead of preparing the country for election, the leadership continue to delay it. One of the main excuses given is the slow implementation of the 2018 peace agreement. It is true, the agreement called for the creation of a unified arm, a new constitution, and a population census, but years after year, these steps are stalled or only partially completed. The delays are not accidental, they are strategic. As long as the process isn't finished, the government has an excuse not to hold elections. Another commonly used reason is insecurity. And here there are real security challenges in South Sudan. But these challenges are often fueled or exploited by those in power. A state of instability makes it easier to argue that the country isn't ready for elections. It becomes a convenient reason to delay democracy again and again. Democratic elections require a strong independent institution like an impartial electoral commission, a free press, and a functional judiciary. In South Sudan, those institutions are either weak or tightly controlled by the ruling elites. Without reform, it is impossible to guarantee a free and fair election, and that is exactly how the current leader wanted. It is also important to talk about the opposition. In many cases, opposition groups have been divided, weakened, or even absorbed into a government through power-sharing deal. This creates an environment where no real political competition exists. The absence of a strong opposition removes any real pressure to move toward elections. Finally, there's money. South Sudan is rich in oil and receives substantial foreign aid. As long as elections are delayed, the current leadership maintains control over these resources. Without oversight, without transparency, and without sharing the benefit with the population, it is a system designed to benefit the few at the top, not the many of the bottom. The ongoing delay in South Sudan election are not just political games. They are a form of injustice, denying citizens their voices, their right, and their future. It is time for the international community, civil society, and concerned individuals everywhere to speak up. Democracy delayed is a democracy denied. South Sudan deserves better, not later, but now. Thanks for watching. If you believe in justice and the right to vote, share this video.